touch a page to start the story.
Page 15, page 14. What's that noise? Page 12, page 11, page 10, page 9, page 8, page 7, page 6, page 5, page 4, page 3, page 2, page 1. Rufus was a country dog. He lived with his family near quiet green fields and country lanes. But one day, Rufus and his family moved to the city. But one day moved Rufus and his family to needed the city. Rufus needed to learn to be city, a city dog.
Jamie, I'm a cup of silver free and I think I'm going to get the most cup of...
But one day, Rufus and his family moved to the city. Rufus needed to learn to be a city dog.
I have prawns, they're the same thing. That was a figure of speech, by the way. Calm down.
Rufus learned one thing about the city right away. The city was loud. Rufus heard locks click, lifts ding, horns honk, rubbish bins bang, trains roar, sirens screech. Wow! 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 Wow!
Eat pants.
Rufus couldn't sleep. His family gave him a new bed, but Rufus wanted earplugs.
Two number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 extra dip, two number 7s, a number 45, one with cheese, and a large soda.
I can't sleep hearing all the
Guys,
cars beat.
Guys, I think
This
I'm going to start...
big-eared hound hears
Jamie, from
every
this point
sound.
onwards, I'm a sledge and
Howled
cat can, mate.
Rufus.
Okay?
The next
Jamie,
morning, Rufus heard clatter, whistle, zoom.
I'm going to start making...
What's
I'm
that
going to start making
noise?
sledge.
He yelped.
Jamie.
He ran to the window and looked
Jamie.
out. But then he said,
Jamie.
what's that delicious smell?
Jello! Jamie, I'm going to start making sledge. Sure, mate.
The street was filled with people selling different kinds of food from little carts. Yummy, gulped Rufus. Rufus saw a large stone building surrounded by a park. "What's that beautiful sight?" he asked.
I love eat pants. I love eating pants. Cool.
It was an art museum. Rufus went inside
I am Groot.
and looked at all
Groot
of
I
the
am.
sculptures in the museum.
And I said I am Groot.
Then Rufus followed his ears and listened to street musicians playing guitars, trumpets, violins, and drums.
Ones.
Soon the strumming and drumming turned into snorting and roaring. Rufus walked through the city zoo. He smiled and barked, "Nice to meet all of you." His feet were tired from walking. Rufus took a taxi home. "Ah," sighed Rufus, "that feels good."
Oh my god,
This
I'm actually
city
getting so
has a
low.
lot of noise, thought Rufus, and a lot of things
Piss
to
off,
see
Xavier.
and do and feel and eat.
I'm actually carrying my team. I've got the most skills in my team.
Soon, Rufus made lots of new friends. He took walks every day around his new city.
Yes, Xavier. Do you know how to spell that one? It's a bit of a tricky word. It's a big boy word.
One day, a friend from the country
See?
visited Rufus.
A
Matilda and her
curly
family
K.
were thinking about moving there.
L.
Matilda gave Rufus a big hug and yelled,
Rufus, what's that noise?
I'm part of that.
"What noise?" asked Rufus.
Sorry.
He perked up his ears.
That's Zoom Bang Honk.
Cried Matilda.
Helma Black.
"Oh, that!" laughed
What if you were
Rufus.
black and you hated blacks? Would they let you
You'll
into the
get
KKK?
used to it. That sounds like home.
Yeah. Yeah, bleach yourself.